Hey guys, and a massive news coming in from South Korea. Samsung will host its next Unpacked event on July 22nd, and there Samsung is going to announce the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, Z Fold 8, Z Flip 8, and new Galaxy Watch. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 came out last year on July 9th. The Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 were released on July 31st, so July 22nd is for the new Z Fold 8 lineup. Can be seen the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 got a remote-style, narrow and tall form factor. The Z Fold 8 Wide is a lot smaller and wider in terms of the aspect ratio. So first thing first, all these devices are likely coming with Qi 2 magnetic charging support, or maybe the coil design could be there. So case makers can add magnets in cases for Qi 2 charging or accessories. New CAD renders coming in from Ice Universe, and guys, Samsung is finally shrinking the front-facing selfie camera. And here's how the final design is going to look. So a near bezel-less finish with tiny hole-punched camera on both cover screen and inner folding screen. Latest news coming in from Galaxy Club and Sam Mobile. The Z Fold 8 Wide won't feature a 200-megapixel main camera. Instead, it is coming with a low-resolution 50-megapixel main and 50-megapixel ultra-wide setup. Samsung is using 10-megapixel front-facing selfie shooter in both cover and inner display, which is quite disappointing. But the best part is, you guys can still use the rear camera for selfies with the cover screen acting as a viewfinder. Z Fold 8, however, is coming with triple cameras, main, ultra-wide, and 3x zoom telephoto sensor. The standard Z Fold 8 might have a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which is huge compared to 4,400 mAh battery of the Z Fold 7, and even the new Z Fold 8 Wide may have a 4,900 mAh battery. The specifications are Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the most powerful chipset right now. It's going to have One UI 9 out of the box, which is coming with new music player navbar. Hopefully, we'll see zero crease and anti-reflective coating for no to less glare. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is coming in exciting color finishes, and one of them is a green color option. This is your first look at the Samsung Galaxy glasses, coming soon this July alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, and Galaxy Z Flip 8. What's the best thing on the menu? And it launches this July. That's all, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, and peace out.